everybody, it's Wednesday. It's time for Impact 119. But before we start right there, I just want to take a minute and go, you know what? I am so glad I got to see some of y'all Sunday right here in this building. That was
so cool.
awesome to worship together. I want to remind you that we are assembling together again. We are doing a family worship at 8:10 and at 11. And moms, don't worry about if you're afraid your kids might act up in the sanctuary. It's okay. We have an overflow in the gym. If you choose to go to the sanctuary, that is fine. That is great. I would love for y'all to stop by the gym just to say hi to us because there are several of us that are down here in the gym. And if you're in the gym Sunday, we will have some bags to keep some kids occupied if you need those as well. So we look forward to this Sunday to assemble together again. I cannot wait to see y'all. So let's talk about Impact 119. Have you ever seen a soldier get a medal? You know, a lot of times they'll get medals like this. You know, I know y'all have all seen medals before because we give out medals for learning verses and that kind of stuff. And so, you know, a lot of times those soldiers get medals because of their loyalty to our country. That's what being a soldier is about showing that loyalty. You know, the Bible talks about being loyal and how we live our life to Jesus. And in Ephesians chapter 6 verses 6, 7, and 8, it says, "Don't work only while being watched in order to please men, but as slaves of Christ, do God's will from your heart. Serve with a good attitude as the Lord and not to men, knowing that whatever good each one does, he will receive this back from the Lord." You know, God wants us to do everything we do, to do it for Him, pleasing to Him, and to serve Him with our whole hearts all the time. And you know, all of y'all know Mr. Nick here. I did not tell him what we were doing today, but as soon as I saw this verse, it just hit me that this verse speaks of Mr. Nick's life. And you know, he's just graduated from high school. We are super proud of him. And he is going to be getting ready in the next couple of months to be going to New Orleans to go to college to become a minister of the gospel. And so to continue out serving and being loyal to our God and to be loyal and a faithful servant to Him. So we are super, super proud of him. And he has lived that out, and he has been a great example for you guys. And you know what? Now it's your turn. It's your turn to be an example for somebody else. But while we're here, I'm going to give this medal to Nick as a faithful servant of the Lord. So Nick, I know I am proud of you. I know all of our viewers all of our kids and parents are so super proud of you. And I can't wait to see what God has for you. See y'all later. We love y'all.